Hey guys, we spent 5 nights in Astoria, Warrenton, Seaside, KOA, and we loved it. Come along with us on the journey. We have a surprise for you guys at the end that shows what you don't do in a campground.
Yeah, we've seen some pretty crazy stuff this past week.
Guys, we just got done at Shipwreck Beach. It's in Stevens State Park, and we just finished our first night at Astoria, Warrenton, Seaside, KOA. And I mean, I've always loved Oregon because I kind of grew up here because I have grandparents that lived here, but Houston's never experienced Oregon, so I think it's been fun.
Something about Washington beaches, I guess, compared to like California or even Oregon. Oregon beaches they're pretty. They're pretty.
Not a lot of people.
Yeah, and we were able to drive right on the beach, and that was kind of cool and different.
Yeah, we drove right on the beach. We parked the truck. I stayed with Silviano, our youngest, by the truck so that he could like stay warm. And the older ones got to run around, and it was pretty awesome. Even though it's raining right now, it was fun. I had fun.
Yeah, it's just a little rain today.
Washington and Oregon do this. It's just like a little bit of rain and then it will stop.
It's beautiful though.
Yeah.
It's kind of like muggy, I think.
Yeah.
Humid maybe. But overall, this place is beautiful. The KOA is pretty awesome. because we had started a fire, and they closed pretty early, I guess. Well,
they close at 9.
Kind of early.
So it's weird here because the sun's out like until 10, huh?
The sun's still out till like 10 o'clock. I'm not kidding, really. It's like sunny, beautiful, beautiful nights. So we'll see what tonight brings us with. Maybe rain, I don't know. We'll see. We got some stuff for s'mores.
Hey guys, we were looking for a good seafood clam chowder place in the Astoria, Seaside, Warrenton area, and we found Ship Out, and it was pretty good.
The food was phenomenal. We got halibut, clam chowder,
and oysters, and they deep fry the oysters. They were actually really good. Me and Houston really haven't had oysters a lot, and overall that was really good.
They were fresh.
They're fish.
You could tell.
That's like their mission, is to have like fresh seafood, and it was good. Their clam chowder, it was I don't know, it was pretty good. Not like the best I've had, but their seafood is amazing, very fresh, and you won't be disappointed if you go and try it.
I would go and try it if you're in the area. I highly recommend you go there, check it out. Yeah, we'll share the menu and a few pictures with you guys.
Here. Okay, and the name for this.
Where'd we go, babe?
We went to Dutch Brothers in Oregon. Yeah, this is the first Dutch Brothers we've had in
a month and a half
since we've been on the road. So it's a nice treat. And yeah.
Hey guys, we were recommended to go to Cannon Beach. Overall, we liked it. If you want to go shopping, there's a lot of shops. There's dinner. We got some taffy.
Saltwater taffy.
Yeah.
It's a nice little, it's like a touristy town.
Yeah.
Yeah, we enjoyed it, and we seen the rock.
I don't know. It's like a famous rock that's from Cannon Beach. I don't know.
I can't, we're terrible.
Just come along with us and you'll see the pictures. It's pretty awesome.
We just got a big bag of saltwater taffy, fresh. It's pretty good. And they have how many flavors?
94.
94 flavors. And we got just about 94 flavors.
Hey guys, so we have a picture for you guys to see. We pulled into the Astoria KOA and there was a tent next to us. We weren't worried about it. It was okay. Like, you know, some people like to tent camp, that's fine. But they had a bungee cord on our water spigot that we were supposed to hook up to, and then they had tied like a rope for their tent around our electrical box, and so they didn't even move it, nothing.
Around the lid.
Yeah.
Around the lid part.
Well, and the way they had the bungee cord, you couldn't, I mean, you could turn the spigot, but they had it like on where you turn on and off the spigot. So we just requested to move. It was just easier, but that, I don't know. I just think it's crazy that some people, like, you know, you're renting that spot. So I don't go in someone else's like rent their little camping spot unless they invite you or talk to you. I don't think other people should like put their stuff or walk through it. It's just kind of disrespectful. I don't know.
Yeah. So we got things that you shouldn't do